yeah!
Okay, so another brilliant, beautiful day on the mountain with good people. There was over 100 people again took part in this event. I've thanked everybody earlier, but I'll thank them again. Thank Caulfields, thank Niall and the Trust, Arlene and her groups, come and support in Phobail.
38-35 you did today. Tell us about the run today.
It was brilliant, you know, it's a brilliant view to go and have a run on fucking Sunday morning, so you can't really beat it, and it just keeps you going the whole way around.
And where are you from?
Andytown.
Andytown, over to be at the Upper Springfield. Aye.
We did it this year for a charity called Holoprosencephaly. It's a brain disorder that one of the coaches within our club, his young daughter has this. It was about raising awareness of this HPE and also bringing people together as a community to support them. And I think we've done that by bringing everybody together. It's a great day, great event. It's growing every year. I think this is the 7th year, and I don't know how many people we had over the mountain with Americans the other day and everything. And I think it was a great event, and this is what it was all done for. And it was all about raising awareness and giving support to that family. Thank you.
Divis!